Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if the camera isn't working on your HP OmniBook Flip 5 laptop. So first of all, try turning your camera on through the camera application. Okay, and if you have some kind of issue, then first of all open the manual shutter, or make sure that it's opened on your laptop. And if you still see this 0xA00 issue, then let's close this application and let's go to the start menu. Let's go to the settings, then open your Bluetooth and devices menu on the sidebar, go to cameras, find your HP 5 megapixel camera in here or any other megapixel camera in here, and click enable next to it to enable it. If it's disabled, then that must be the issue. Here you can see the preview of your camera and adjust its settings. Now, if this doesn't help you, if you still cannot access your camera in the camera application, let's actually check it. Yeah, right now it's accessible, but if you still cannot access it, then go to Bluetooth and devices, then cameras once again, and then select camera privacy settings, and make sure that the access to your camera for the camera application is switched on, or if it's not the camera application that you're trying to launch, then make sure that that this application that you want to enable your camera on for has the toggle switched on this list. And if it doesn't have the toggle switched on, then switch it on, and then your camera should start working normally again. If it didn't, then at this point it might be a hardware issue, as your camera doesn't seem to require any this camera doesn't seem to require any additional driver updates. So I recommend reaching out to HP customer support service, or just heading to the nearest repair center and letting them take care of your device's camera. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.